how to duplicate pages on WordPress. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's guide video, I'll simply guide you on how you can duplicate your pages on WordPress. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe that you have a page that you want to duplicate. For example, you can see this privacy policy page. If I go to the preview section, this is how the page is currently looking like, So let's say I want to duplicate this page, right? So I'm going to come back, and then what I will do is I'll just select the edit button right next to it. Once I select edit button and come to this page, you want to actually make sure that you're inside the code editor. So basically you can exit the code editor. You'll see this kind of default options. Click on the three dots and then go to the option called code editor. And then once you go to code editor over here, you simply want to hit Ctrl A on your keyboard and then copy these codes as a whole. So once you copy these codes, basically I'm going to come back, right? Then I'm going to create a new demo page and then I'll show you exactly all of the contents inside it. So I'm going to go ahead and then simply actually create a demo page. Now in this body section, I'm going to paste the exact code that I copied. Once I paste the exact code that I copied, all I have to do is just select the preview button to see what this page is going to look like. And then if I select desktop preview in a new tab, you'll be able to see that the next page also basically looks the same because we copied the code. And now if I want, I can just go ahead and then publish it and then hit the publish button immediately. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then actually duplicate pages just by a simple trick, which is by copying the source code or the HTML code. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.